Available in a solid black or champagne gold and white finish, the PX160 is the perfect entry to the Privia range. Advanced features include lesson function, a music library with 60 pre-recorded songs, along with the ability for the user to create 10 of their own songs using the built-in recorder. The ability to split and layer the keyboard adds great flexibility to the 18 built-in tones, which include acoustic and electric pianos, tuned percussion, strings and organ. USB for computer connectivity and line out to connect to a sound system make the Privia PX160 truly exceptional.
I don't know how to play the piano. That's impressive.
Hi everyone, I'm Sandy at the One Smart Piano. There's a reason why most people end up quitting music lessons or never even get started. Even when you're taking lessons, it can take years before you start learning your favorite songs. And honestly, practicing alone just isn't fun sometimes. That's why we're bringing you the One Smart Piano. It'll teach you to play without a teacher, at your own pace, and in the convenience of your own home. We've taken mobile technology through your phone or your tablet and combined that with our smart piano.
She's doing the grades too. Oh, that's pretty good.
Through interactive sheet music guidance, video lessons, and games, we're bringing you a new way to learn piano that's fun and motivating. The magic starts when you connect your mobile device to the piano. Find a piece of sheet music you want to learn through our free app. You'll be able to hear a full demo of the piece even before you play. Watch as the LED lights synchronize with the notes. Then you can follow along with the lights, one note at a time. Stop and go, or repeat tricky passages. When you've perfected your practice, save a recording. You can even share it with your friends. Pull up the game mode and follow scrolling bars to earn points. You can also start from the basics with video lessons. Choose from some of the most popular online tutorials. Everything's at your own pace according to your own goals. The One Smart Piano is the one that can bring music to your life.
That was really good.